Welcome to Kids Rocket. Today we have the washing machine Egghead Tumble. We have drawn faces of 5 DC superheroes onto eggs. We're going to put the washing machine onto a spin and we're going to see who wins. We have Superman, Wonder Woman, Flash, Robin, and the Batman. And the one who stays on the longest without smashing onto the tile is the winner. Who do you think's going to win?
Superman.
You think Superman? I think Batman. Always bet on the bat. If you agree with any of our predictions, give us a big thumbs up as the washing machine goes on to its spin cycle. Robin looking at the sky there. Try not to be phased. Who is going to hold on the longest?
Superman.
Wonder Woman looking carefully confident there. Superman smiling as always, the man of steel himself. Unfortunately, his Egghead is not made of steel. Oh, the washing machine's starting. Batman looking very serious.
And it's starting.
And we're starting. Oh, a few wobbles there. Wonder Woman not look. Oh, Superman's leaned over. He's not fell off yet. He's still in the game. Batman looking very wobbly. All other heads on their side. Calm before the storm. Here we go with the spin cycle. Well and truly starting now. Oh, Batman first over.
He's got a crack over there.
Look at Flash wobbling from side to side, but still managing to remain his balance. Wonder Woman edging towards Superman. Superman also wobbling. Robin looking very confident.
Superman's trying to get out of here. Batman's head spiking. Everybody else.
As Batman's out of the competition, we move his clip.
And his head spiking.
He's got a nasty crack on his head. As we start again, this machine coming into a nice spin now. Superman very wobbly. Wonder Woman side to side, up and down. Looking at the sky. Wonder Woman edging towards the back there with Superman. Flash is very unsteady.
His head is almost over the side.
Robin's still very confident.
Batman's ears is almost fell off.
The Flash looking like he's going to fall over the edge. Will we get a crack or will he be nice and safe?
We don't know. And Batman's lying in the crack.
Oh, looks like the Flash is coming over the edge. It looks like he may be over. Oh, Wonder Woman's down. Wonder Woman's down but not cracked.
No crack in it.
No crack.
Let's take her stand away. Just 3 more. Robin, Superman, and Flash.
Flash still going towards the edge there. It's anyone's game. The 3 heroes, Robin, Superman and the Flash.
He's almost off.
Flash nearly off. If he goes completely in the white, he's out of the game.
He's lying in the end.
Oh, the Flash is down.
But he's safe.
No crack.
Let's take here's the symbol away.
So it's just between Superman and Robin.
Batman's got his egg. His head is spiked. Robin's
Superman holding on tight. Robin shaking but still remaining in his grip. Oh no, Robin looks like he's keeping hold. He's not budging. Very strong tactics from the boy wonder there. All his acrobats have paid off for this game. Oh, he's down. We have our winner. Superman is our winner.
Because he's the strongest man ever.
The son of Krypton has won. And then we have our losers.
Oh, good.
And Superman is down.
Oh.
Well done, Superman, for that victory.
Oh my goodness.
Superman, do you have anything to say? Well, I want to be with my friends.